a particular workout plan by assigning or giving certain information or detail to a prompt, and yes, voila, there was our uh, output. But for this video, we will our focus is on format. So let's go ahead and let's create a quiz like in a particular format. So I'm from tech field, so I will go ahead and create a Python dictionary, name questions, and there must be a certain question in a certain format. So I will go ahead and I will tell that create a Python, because I want a Python dictionary, which I Dictionary. Yes, spelling bee. Okay, dictionary name. What we want to name? We want to name it as question. So let's give it a name of question. Okay, I want to create a Python dictionary name question where the keys. Okay, where the keys are questions. Okay, let me first clarify things. There are some technical things here which I need to clarify. So, what is a dictionary? So, let me first talk to the non-technical people here. So, take dictionary is nothing but just think of what you do with an English dictionary, and for people who are born after 2002, just think about contact in your phone. So what you do in contact, you type a name, let's say you type K, and if my name is there and if I am your contact, that K will show the result where every name which starts with K or contains K will be appearing before your eyes. Okay, for dictionary people, for my folks, if we have to find a certain word in our dictionary, so what we have to do is that we have to take that letter, we have to go to that letter page, and we have to search. So what we are doing, that letter is known as key. Or let's say if you have were in school, there must have been your roll calls before your name. So what is that roll call? That roll call is actually a key. When that roll call or that letter is called, you were the value, which is you or someone else associated to that key, get like what we say presented or something. So this is actually my best shot to try explain the data structure of Python, which is known as dictionary. And for my technical folks who are not from Python field or from Java or C++ field, this is nothing but a has set or unordered set or set, which we call in our Java or C program, and that same like hash set is known as dictionary in Python. So key value pair. So if we are on the same page, let's continue. So we are saying that we are we are making a dictionary, obviously a key and a value pair. The key should be a question, obviously, where, let's say where, and I am choosing this prompt because this is technical also, and this can actually make you understand that how complex things could be easy or can be done by ChatGPT, where the keys as let's say question, keys as question. Let me first write this prompt so that I don't get confused. Question what we have, question one. Okay, there's that. I'm so like I'm just trying not to get this wrong, because two is question two. Okay, we are defining this that key should be question one, question two, question three, and so on. And the value, the value. is list. So this will be very hard to understand for non-technical people. So what is list? List is your list of names. Obviously, list is what it is actually, a list. And if you're from technical field, you know what list is. So with the first the first item, so what this will generate is a MCQ question. Item as a multiple choice. I'm just writing a very jumbled prompt right now because yeah. And four options, I think, for list item, which is four options for a question. Oh, like if I'm saying option, you can write option here, and if you want me to show that how like we can achieve same thing in a simpler word, I will show you that also. Or if you want me to show you here only, so let's scrape this and let's actually do this same operation in a simpler word, right? So that we, like technical and non-technical people, are on the same field. So let's go ahead and let's erase this. And let's say create a Python test with 10 questions based on fundamentals of Python programming language language and make it here. You can get that example of TSL, tone and style and length. So and make it, let's say, what tone we want. We want formal, and then we want what? Let's say the question should be multiple choice questions with four four options to choose from. And okay, we will get a multiple choice question with the four options to choose from and what we want. And okay, blah 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 to choose from, and make it, let's format it, make it in PDF format so that I can easily copy paste and just give someone that test. So let's enter and let's see what we get. Okay, so it is writing Python code and script actually. So as you can see, it is saying that we can code it, and for non-technical people, so here's it is. You can make a question like unlimited number of question, but just following these steps. So yeah, it has created this question series 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is known as functions, and this function will generate your PDF file. So if you run this, if you want me to run this, I can run this actually. Let's open our but okay, let's open VS Code. Okay, let's run this. Okay, let's see it works or not. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, there is some project which I am working on. So there's that. Let's open a new window. I will just copy and paste the code and let's see what happens. If it runs, it runs it. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Like new file. Python, we need a Python file. Let's say a new file. Oh, we have created a file, no? Okay, like just create me a new file. Okay, let's say Python. What? Python 11. What? Okay, let's choose some random folder. Let's say video folder. Blah blah blah. I don't want all of this. I just need to create a file .py. I need to create a new file in a Python. Okay, where's my file? Yeah, let's say quiz.py. Quiz.py. Okay, we have created our Python file. Let's open the terminal. Run, open the terminal, new terminal. We will pip install. Let's pip install this. It should install this library. Come on. Okay, it's downloading. Okay, it has worked. Okay, installation packages, blah blah blah. I think it's done. Now I just copy the code. Let's open our Visual Studio Code again. Paste it here and just okay, generate test. If I'm not wrong, it should be in. Okay, it's okay. So let's run this. Let's. I hope it works. Okay, so we have our python.txt PDF. Let's open this. Okay, we will open where it got saved from video folders. Let's close this. Where it was video. There's a video folder. Okay, can't find a video folder. Okay, let's set this. Don't think it is the same folder. Where's that folder? Okay, this here it is. So this is our PDF. Let's open this PDF. Okay, and voila. As you can see, it has created a MCQ for Python. So which keyword is used to define a function in a Python? Def. Which output of a following code? Blah blah blah. And which data type is used to store a single character in a Python? Char, if I'm not wrong. So there's that, and that's how you can create a formatted MCQ with the help of Python. So in next video we will talk about ABA, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace, take care, and subscribe.